Welcome back to Garvit's kitchen. Today we're gonna make authentic Nepali eggplant curry. We usually eat this with rice or roti. For ingredients, it requires eggplants, bell peppers, onion, and potatoes. The first step is to cut these ingredients to our desired shape, like this, and boom. For that, we gotta cut ingredients. For eggplants, I soak them in salt water so that they don't change color. For spices, we have half teaspoon of turmeric, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, salt according to your taste, and 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. To begin cooking, grab any pot, turn to high heat, and grab some oil. I'm using avocado oil because it's healthy. We're using 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Now we put it on the spices. First one I'll put is cumin seeds. Now the next step is to fry onions or so. Now I stir the onions. The next step is to fry our potatoes. So let the potatoes fry for some time, and we'll just put the lid back on. Now, our potatoes look golden brown. Now it's time to add our capsicum or bell peppers. Like so. Alright, give it a good stir, and you can cover it. Now, lower your heat down to medium. Our next step is to add ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon amount. Now, add your turmeric powder. Now we give it a good stir before we add the eggplant. Now it's time to add our eggplant. And then we give it a stir. Now add salt according to your taste. Give it a good stir. And then cover it for 5 to 7 minutes. Now it's time to add our curry powder to our eggplants. Now, that's the final ingredient. Now just give it a good serve, and we should be ready. And now it's ready to be served. Our eggplant curry is now ready. You can either eat it with rice, roti, naan, or even tortillas. It's also a great option for vegetarians. Very healthy.